Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 24th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. We're starting on the daily time frame. So today we have CPI inflation data coming out shortly. Now, I do admit that this looks like a possible ABC pullback. We've been respecting this 78% for a very long time now. If it does break to the upside on like the 4 hour to 1 hour time frame, then it is definitely probably a wave C, and it will likely go up and make new highs on the daily time frame. I personally am still leaning towards the fact that it's not a wave C just because of the US dollar analysis. I still think there is a chance that it may actually end up breaking to the downside. So, anyways, let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, if you've been watching my videos, you know that this is the structure that I'm paying attention to right here. If price breaks and holds above that structure with momentum, then we are likely back into the uptrend on the daily time frame. If it doesn't break and hold above this structure, then I still would be recommending nothing but shorts. Very, very sideways market, but there definitely has been a lot of sorting opportunities, especially for short time frame traders over the last, couple weeks. And depending on what happens today, I mean, I personally think that maybe it is going to go up a little bit, but if it makes a lower high and pushes down, I definitely would be focused on sorting opportunities. Now, if it does go up and break structure, then fine, let it break structure, let it pull back, and then have patience enough to wait for the pullback entry for the continuation of the uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.